Good morning, class. In today's lecture, we are going to be talking about long-term memory, and more specifically, encoding procedures that affect retrieval. On the lesson plan today, we will be reviewing complex sentences, forming visual images, testing, and finally, organizing information. But for serious, here we go. Placing words in complex sentences.
Memory for a word is much better when the word is presented in a complex sentence. A complex sentence creates more connections between the word to be remembered and other things. These other things act as cues that help us retrieve the word when we are trying to remember it. Consider these two sentences.
He smelled the rose.
Or,
the cute high school student bought a rose for his college girlfriend because he was very, very whipped.
Forming visual images and paired associate learning.
paired associate learning in this context is when we have a list of nouns, like shoe paired with pineapple, or hat paired with steak knife. The first word of each pair is presented, and the participant's task is to remember the word it's paired with. You will remember twice as many words if you create an image in your mind than if you simply repeat the words aloud.
Testing.
Most students simply reread their notes before an exam, but recent research shows that being tested on material to be remembered results in better memory than just rereading it. This is called the testing effect, and it works because you have to actively create the information.
Organizing information. The memory system uses organization to access information more efficiently. Organizing materials using a tree, for example, results in substantially better recall. And now that we're here, why don't we review what we learned today? Factors that aid in encoding. First, we have creating connections. We learned about complex sentences. Remember the rose? And we also learned about imagery. So, the pineapple in the shoe, for example. We also have active creation, which means testing. So, maybe exams are actually kind of good for us in the end. And organization. Presenting the information in an organized way. Class dismissed.